Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GoodNovel. GoodNovel app, you will go to settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about GoodNovel and you can click here. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop. Then you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on